During Sir's tenure in the years 1994 to 1998, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Mangalore branch, has won several awards, few of them being Most Commended Performance Award in the Southern Region, SIRC of ICI, and the Active Branch of Regional Council, less than 500 category, SIRC of ICI. We are indeed very grateful to you, sir, and thank you for making us proud. We would also like to invite C.A. Srinivas S. Kamath. During his tenure of 1998-1999, has made us proud with his hard work and is an inspiration to all young chartered accountants. Thank you for your valuable service, sir. Next, I would like to call upon C.A. M. Vaman Kamath, who served as chairman during the years 1999-2000. Also, I would like to call upon C.A. B. Chandrakant Rao, who served as chairman during the years 2000 and 2001. We all look up to you, Sir C.A. Vaman Kamath and C.A. Chandrakant Rao. You have been a mentor to so many young chartered accountants. We have seen you all teaching us during sessions of ITT as well as soft skills. We look up to you and thank you for your valuable service to the Institute. I would now like to call upon C.A. Kiran A. Vasant, who served as chairman during the years 2001-2002. We are always proud to associate with you, sir. You, with your positivity, never fail to motivate us in the toughest of times. Thank you. I would also now like to call upon C.A. K. Ranganath Chennai, sir, who served as chairman during his tenure 2002-2003. Thank you for your great service, sir. We will always remember you. I would now like to call upon CA Narasimha Das Pai, who served as chairman during the year 2003-2004. Thank you for your valuable service, sir. You are a gem in our profession, and we all young chartered accountants look up to you always. I would also like to call upon CA Rudolph M.C. Rodriguez, who served as chairman during the years 2004-2005. We are grateful for your service, sir. Although you are not with us right now, I'm sure you are with us during this session via Zoom call. Thank you for your service, sir. I would like to call upon CA Nitin J. Shetty, who served as chairman during the years 2005-2006. During his tenure as chairman, the branch won an award, the Best Branch of Regional Council Award in medium-sized branches category. This was a national level award by ICI New Delhi. Thank you for leading us, sir, and making our branch proud. I now request CA Praveen Kumar Shetty, who served as chairman of Mangalore branch during the years 2006-2007. Thank you for your valuable service, sir. We are very grateful to have leaders like you, sir. I would also like to call upon CA Giridhar Kamath, who served as chairman during the tenure 2007-2008. We young chartered accountants always look up to you, sir, for your advice and support during all times. Thank you for your valuable service. Thank you, sir. I now request CA Chandrakant Rao to share his thoughts with us.
It is said that when the present recognizes and respects the past, there's always a hope for the future. And that's rightly what's happening today. We have converged here the present, respecting and recognizing the past, and taking energy and commitment for the future. And in this group, we are a special group of past chairmen who have witnessed this great institution being built brick by brick by the contribution of members and students. This Mangalore ICAI has bloomed as a temple of learning, first and foremost as a caring mother to all the students who have come forth to become quality professionals. We have recognized merit and only merit, commitment and only commitment, and that's how good students have become quality chartered accountants across the globe. This temple of learning is also a source of energy to all of us chartered accountants here who have been groomed into being quality professionals. In this, we have drawn strength as a true guru for being energized, for being committed to the cause which is very close to us. That is, we being the strength to the world of business. We chartered accountants are the caring professionals taking care of the energy which is happening in the business, and we as a group of professionals in Mangalore ICAI will always be together in this temple of learning, singing a common hymn, and that is Sangachadvam, Samvadadvam. Let noble thoughts be with us. Let us all think together, speak together, and act together for the great goodness of all mankind, especially the business world. Jai Jai ICAI.
Thank you, C.A. Chandrakant Rao, sir. It is such a joy to listen to you always. You are such an inspiration to all of us. I am indeed thrilled to introduce you to Mr. Balasubramaniam, Chief General Manager of the Union Bank of India. His excellent service has earned him several awards such as Riayati Leadership Award, Thunder Campaign Award, and many more. I request Mr. Balasubramaniam to speak a few words to us.
I wish all the members and the students every success on this happy occasion and all the very best. The institute stands for the high standards of professionalism, and an Indian chartered accountant is acknowledged across the globe as being among the best and the brightest in the profession. The institute ICAI has been at the forefront in the development of our accounting profession, and it is one of the premier accounting bodies in the world today, and this is a matter of great pride for all of us. Dr. Abdul Kalam once said that chartered accountants are partners in the nation building. They are foundation base of the economy, and utilizing the financial expertise, the nation gets a right direction in various financial and economy related measures. The view of chartered accountant to solve the financial problem is different from others due to their knowledge and expertise in field of finance, taxation, company law, forex, etc. Our Prime Minister also once in his tweet had mentioned that the CA community looks after the economic health of the society. The Mangalore branch of the institute is the second largest branch in the state of Karnataka, covering the district of Dakshina Kannada and the neighboring Kasaragod district. I understand that this branch is one of the vibrant branches of the institute for its all-round activities and has around 750 plus CA members and 3,500 plus CA students. Our earlier speakers also have mentioned, especially Mr. Venkatramana, he has mentioned that the institute is very vibrant in all the educative programs. Also, it is being involved for the benefit of all the students across the two districts as also in South India. As bankers, we are closely associated with the chartered accountants. From lending, it started with lending. I think now it has the horizon has improved a lot, right from lending to dispute resolution. Now once again that IBC and also in the forensic audit recovery also, it is the horizon has expanded, and the bankers and then chartered accountants, we are working together in tandem. They contribute in the fields of tax planning, capital budgeting, budget forecasting, financing, preparation of books of accounts, and every field as well related to the finance. Ladies and gentlemen, on this happy occasion of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Mangalore branch of ICAI, one of the most vibrant branches of the institute, to continue to their commitment to the cause of excellence, ethical conduct, and higher standards of professional integrity, I once again congratulate the Mangalore chapter on this occasion. I wish the institute and all those connected with all success in the endeavor to scale greater heights of excellence. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those crisp words. We hope to receive your support in future as well. We are indeed privileged to have amidst us Madam Sujaya Shetty, Zonal Head of Bank of Baroda, Mangalore, with over 30 years of experience across various facets of banking. She has served in various leadership positions in credit and forex at zonal and corporate levels. I now request you, ma'am, to address the gathering.
I wish all the chairpersons and members of the past and present and the students of ICAI best wishes and success on this happy occasion. In a dynamic and challenging business environment, chartered accountants are looked upon as complete business solution providers. They are thoroughly trained practically in all avenues of finance and accounting. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is the third largest accounting body in the world, and an Indian chartered accountant is recognized as the brightest professional. I compliment you for this professionalism. ICAI has served our country with great distinction as nation builders. The impressive growth in your membership from 1,700 members in 1949 to more than 3.1 lakh members today bears a testimony to the growing demand of your services, both at home and abroad. Indian chartered accountants have truly earned a name and fame for themselves. Our chartered accountant firms have expanded their operations outside India and accepting global opportunities and challenges. The role of accounting professional is critical in lending credibility to the financial sector, financial market transactions. Market participants, investors and shareholders look up to you for high quality information which ensures market discipline, high corporate governance standards and fosters confidence of various stakeholders. Chartered accountants are the real watchdogs of the corporate world of immense challenges as also immense opportunities. Today's globalized capital market and knowledge-based economy looks for accurate and speedy financial reporting. You chartered accountants have benchmarked yourself against the best available global practices. India has shown a tremendous growth and tremendous achievement in various fields, including service sector. In service sector, we must notch up in terms of excellence, professionalism, speed, accuracy, reliability and integrity. Technical excellence and adherence to high ethical standards are essential conditions for growth and development of any profession. Your institute has been proactive in aligning its educational curriculum with a changing business environment. When we were proud and we felt that we are politically powerful, economically strong and militarily advanced, a challenge emanated from pandemic has shaken the entire world. Many countries have involved in finding a solution, a vaccine, and our country has also made a good progress in this direction. To address this challenge and the difficulties faced, Government of India has come out with various measures, including support to women beneficiaries, senior citizens, farmers, daily wage workers, economically weaker sections of the society, along with RBI providing liquidity in the system, various monetary benefits like moratorium to all term loan borrowers, deferment of interest of working capital, easing of working capital finance, COVID loan to all existing borrowers in retail, corporate, MSME and agriculture sector, and also to handhold the worst hit MSME sector, government guaranteed COVID loans, one-time restructuring package. In all, Government of India has announced an economic package of rupees 20 lakh crores to fight this pandemic. In implementation of all these measures, chartered accountants play a crucial role along with bankers. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the answer to massive unemployment and to becoming an economic superpower. Chartered accountants as nation builders provide quality input to financial sector, all stakeholders, various statutory bodies as well as government. So you have a major role and vital role to play in making Atmanirbhar India. The motto of Institute of Chartered Accountants, a quotation from Upanishad, a person who is awake in those that sleep, tells everything that all of you have embraced. Ladies and gentlemen, on this happy occasion, I once again congratulate the Mangalore branch of Institute of Chartered Accountants and all of you. I wish each one of you all success in your endeavor to scale greater heights of excellence and commitment to national goals. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wishes. As you said, it is indeed a challenging business environment, and we will definitely strive to work harder for the nation building process. Thank you so much for being here. The Mangalore branch is blessed to have so many leaders who have guided its activities all these years. We take joy in expressing our gratitude to you, and we like to appreciate your hard work today. I take immense pleasure to call upon C.A. Naveen Narayan, who served the Institute during the year 2009-2010. I would also like to mention that our two renowned members, C.A. Lionel Arana and C.A. Naveen Narayan, recently authored a book, A Comprehensive Guide to Alternative Dispute Resolution Panel, which I'm sure will benefit the entire CA fraternity. Congratulations to both of them for their hard work and dedication, and wishing both of them all the best in their future endeavors. May I call upon C.A.S. Srinivas Kamath, who rendered his valuable services to the Institute during the year 2010-2011. And also C.A. Chandramohan K.Y. during the year 2011-2012. I would like to proudly say that we have won the Most Commended Performance Award in the Southern Region SIRC of ICAI under the chairmanship of C.A. Chandramohan K.Y. A word of appreciation to both of them for their hard work and dedication. C.A. Murli Mohan Bhatt for the year 2012-2013, Most Commended Performance Award even under his leadership in the Southern Region SIRC of ICAI. May I also call upon CA Jagannath Kamath. We earned the highly recommended performance certificate of appreciation under the chairmanship of CA Jagannath Kamath during the year 2013-2014. And also I would like to mention that this very building at Padil was constructed when Jagannath sir was the chairman. Definitely appreciate your efforts, sir. Thank you so much. I request CA Jagannath Kamath to speak a few words.
I'm very happy that we are entering into the 50th year of Mangalore branch. Mangalore branch has produced many quality chartered accountants for the last 49 years. This branch building was inaugurated in the year 2013-14. My sincere request to all the past chairmen of this Mangalore branch, I wanted the chairman of the branch to paint this building because now we have completed the almost 7 years. Since we are in the Golden Jubilee year, I requested Mr. SS Naik to take initiative before this program to paint this building because we have to maintain this building every 5 years. My sincere request to all the past chairmen that please earmark 5,000 rupees in a year so that in 5 years it will be 25,000. So now we have 19 past chairmen and next year SS Naik will join us. So we have 20 past chairmen. We need not go to SIRC neither the Central Council for the grants. We have 5 lakh rupees of fund in our hand so that permanently without getting any assistance from anybody, we past chairmen can definitely maintain this building for the future generation. I have already committed because when SS Naik came to me to invite me for this function, I told that I will not give any contribution to this Golden Jubilee function, but as a matter of fact, I will give 1 lakh rupees for this painting project. And today I am handing over that check to the chairman. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your contribution has always been invaluable. Let me call upon the first ever lady to head the Mangalore Institute during the year 2014-2015, CA Shamala Shanai. Bala Shanai will speak a few words.
The whole world knows our achievement, but the struggles and the pains that we had undergone to bring this institute to this 50th year, only we know. And it is our dignity that we have not told the world of all the problems that we faced. I congratulate each one of you, and I'm very happy that Shri S.S. Naik is heading the institute at this juncture. A very deserving person to head this institute in the 50th year. And to all the young committee members who are many of us, our students, my classmates' children, and so happy to see you all. One suggestion I can give you, we had this problem with this sound system and the equipments here. This is where you have to take the institute forward. Bring all the sophistication and get rid of all the old style, new style from now on. And I'm very happy that today the esteemed bankers are here. Sujaya, my batchmate, I hope you recognize Rangnath Shenai also. Yes, very happy that she is just joined as a zonal head here. Mr. Acharya, he is my mother-in-law's neighbor. So that is how we know him so closely. And Mr. Balasubramaniam, you are always with us. I have attended our programs many times. I'm very happy that you have joined us for this momentous occasion, patiently, for more than 2 hours now. Thank you very much, all of you.
We have a few more past chairmen who have served the institute in the past couple of years. May I call upon C.A. Shiv Kumar K. for his tenure during the year 2015-2016. And also C.A. Keshav N. Ballakuraya for the term 2016-2017. During both the years, we won Best Branch of Regional Council under the medium size category. Thank you, sirs, for your valuable service. May I call upon C.A. Bhargava Tantri for his tenure during 2017-2018 and C.A. Shivanand 5B for the year 2018-2019. Under the chairmanship of C.A. Bhargava Tantri, we won the Best Branch of Sikasa Award, and the Sikasa chairman was our current vice chairman C.A. K.S. Kamath. Under the chairmanship of C.A. Shivanand Pai, we won the Best Branch of Regional Council under the medium size category. A big round of applause to both of them. Last but definitely not the least, we have our immediate past chairman, CA Ananta Padmanabha, who served the institute during the year 2019-2020. Your efforts are unforgettable, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for all that you do for us. I have managed to gather some courage to say a few Sanskrit lines in front of CASS Naik, sir. Vidya Vivadaya Dhanam, Madaya Shakti Parisham, Paripeedanaya. Kalasya Sador, Viparit Metad, Jnanaya Danaya Charakshanaya. It means the mischievous use their education for conflict, money for intoxication, and power to oppress others, while the honest use it for knowledge, charity, and protecting others. Well, it's time to recognize and acknowledge our colleagues who have excelled in activities other than their busy profession and played a prominent role in contribution to the society as a whole. First, I would like to call upon CA Shantaram Shetty. After serving in Indian Red Cross Society, Dakshin Kannada district as chairman from the year 2015 to 2018, he was re-elected as chairman of Red Cross for the year 2019 to 2022 and has received a special award from Governor of Karnataka, Mr. Vajubhai, for distributing the highest number of free blood units to the weaker and vulnerable sections of society. We are indeed very proud of you, sir.
Congratulations, sir. We have with us our very own CA Nakul Pai. He was elected as a director in the year 1998 of Mangalore Cooperative Town Bank, a 101 years old bank set up by freedom fighter Karnad Sadashiv Rao. Moving on, he was elected as the president of the bank in the year 2006 and has been re-elected for the fourth consecutive term. He has led the bank in implementing the newest of technologies, including the latest core banking system from TCS.
Congratulations and thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon CA Varadaraya Pai. CA Varadaraya Pai has held various posts in the managing committee of Udupi branch of SIRC of ICI and was chief financial officer from 2004 to 2016 at Melaka Manipal Medical College. Let us give him a round of applause.
our colleague CA Nandagopal Shanai, Chairman of the Indirect Taxes Subcommittee, Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Mangalore for the past 10 years, Honorary Secretary of World Konkani Center, Shakti Nagar, Mangalore. He has conducted over 100 programs on GST awareness in pre-GST period to mobilize support for GST. Congratulations, sir.
I would now like to call upon CA Chandra Pujari. After practicing for 16 years, joined Group A Service, Government of India as a member of Income Tax Appellate Tribunal in 2003 and is currently serving at Cochin Bench with 17 years of experience. I guess he is with us via Zoom call. Thank you, sir. We are very proud of you. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. We salute you, all our Gurus, for leading by action and example. May your blessings always be with us as we begin this 51st year.
As we all firmly believe, health is wealth. Our current chairman, CA SS Nayak, initiated yoga sessions in the institute for the benefit of the CAs. It's our pleasure to honor Dr. Jagadish Shetty, our yoga guru. He has conducted 20 days yoga classes to our members in March, which was definitely useful to practice during the current lockdown. I must also mention that he has earned a certificate in yoga from Vishwa Vidya Nilaya and has rendered more than 184 free yoga workshops.
Thank you, sir, for being with us today. We are honored to have amidst us Mr. Yogesh Acharya, General Manager of Canara Bank Circle Office, Mangalore. He was also associated with the Al Razuki Exchange Company, Dubai. It would be a pleasure to listen to you, sir. Over to you.
Yo Yesu Suptasi Jagratah. When the entire world is sleeping, only one person is awake, and he is the chartered accountant, sir. ಜಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿರಲು ಎದ್ದನೊಬ್ಬ ಬುದ್ಧ ಎನ್ನುವಂತೆ when the entire world is sleeping, who takes care of business interests of his clients is the chartered accountant. So there was a small story, sir. It was midnight around 2:30. All were sleeping. Suddenly dogs start barking. कुत्ते भौंक रहे थे. तो सरदार जी की बीवी उसको जगाती है. देखो कोई आ गया होगा. सरदार जी बोलता है कोई नहीं, कोई सीए अपना क्लाइंट का काम करके घर लौटा रहा होगा. This is the commitment, my dear, of the chartered accountants to their clients. Respected chairman of the Mangalore chapter of CIRC, the most ebullient and vivacious Sri S.S. Naik, fellow members of the committee, my dear chartered accountants whom we consider with lot esteem, who are physically present here as well as virtually also. Let me first congratulate you on the happy occasion of Golden Jubilee celebrations of the chapter. What a history you have created, sir. As water has flown to river Netravati, you are from 18th of August to 1971. Marvelous journey you have traversed, sir. More than 700 CA members, more than 3,500 students is itself a testimony of your success. And the magnificent building what you are owning, that also is the testimony for the collective success of all. It is befitting that all past chairmen were also felicitated, and there could not be a better person than Sri S.S. Naik ji as the president during the 50th year celebrations of the institute. So hearty congratulations to you. Why CA? A CA is a charismatic amalgamation of all the virtues. That is why you prefix with the name CA, sir. We, Canara Bank and Chartered Accountants share the same birthday. We were also born on 1st of July, 1906 by the illustrious founder, the son of the soil of this place. ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಒಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಚೇತನ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಮ್ಮೆಂಬಳ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾಪ ಇವರು 1st ಜುಲೈಗೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದರು. 1st July is also the CA day also. We also bankers, we do CA, means CAIIB, not CSI, Certified Institute of Indian Institute of Bankers. I remember the words of Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Damodar Modi ji, who said, as it has already been quoted here, the signature of a CA is more important than the signature of the Prime Minister himself. A doctor's signature on a death certificate signals the death. A banker's signature on the life certificate says that he is alive. But a CA's signature on the balance sheet says that company is prudent, honest, compliant, on which we all depend, sir. We do not have those technical capabilities. So, Ma'am Suja is here. We blindly believe once CA certified means chalo ho gaya, sir. Very many times we bankers never talk to the businessmen. हम उसको बोलते हैं आपका CA को भेजो, because we are more accustomed to talk to them so that we can discuss and find the way for a better resolution. If James Bond were to be asked to give his address, he will say Bond, James Bond. No, now CA James Bond. With that confidence, with that garva iltavalla, they prefix the word CA for that. And we have the illustrious chartered accountants like Kumar Mangalam Birla, the richest CA in the world. Of course, our own Sri T.N. Manoharanji, the Padma Shri awardee, who has not only steered the Satyam fiasco, has steered Canara Bank to greater heights, where he brought our bank from where to where. It is an history, sir. So today, we remember him also. How we can forget Nainalal Kidwai or such beautiful companies like PWG or Deloitte or KPMG, who show the way for us, the bankers. What is the similarity between a successful CA and a universe and a Miss Universe? They both take care of the figures, sir. CA will take care of the figures of their clients, and Miss Universe will take care of her own figures. Yes. It's said, well said, sir. A man can be perfect, best, only when he is a CA, sir. Otherwise, no man is perfect, only a CA is perfect. It is said for 130 crores of Indian diaspora, only 3 lakh CAs are there. That shows it is not the Pariksha, but it is really the Agni Pariksha which all the CA students pass through. What hurdles you pass through, sir. That is why each one is a jewel on its own, sir. Each one is serving the community with the best of the qualities, be it the chartered accountant, be it the auditors, be it the stock audit or our valuations. We blindly believe it, sir. Coming to the young students, I remember the words of ex-president APJ Abdul Kalam ji, who says, dreams are what? He says, dreams are not what? Disturbs your sleep. Dreams are what not makes you sleep at all. So the Agni Pariksha which you have to pass through, and with such great leaders like S.S. Nagji or B.B. Sharma or any such leaders, it will be a smooth effort for all the CS to come successful also. When the budget is announced, one thing we always look forward is to hear Sri S.S. Nagji. The local, we say Nani Palkiwala. The taxation made easy, and we bankers with eyes open, ears open, we come to watch him. And what a addition, value addition you have made, sir. The ebullient with which he speaks is an excellent orator, a writer, and now a humorist also. So we from Canara Bank, we congratulate the local institute of the Cirque of ICAI on your Golden Jubilee celebrations. Let every year be a stepping stone for this ICAI institute, sir. And Canara Bank proudly joins you in sharing your success. And any such opportunities where we can join you, we will be too happy to join you, sir. At the end, COVID pandemic is going on, sir. Doctors, paramedical staff and police are said as the medical warriors, and we bankers and CAs are the financial warriors. We take care of the economy of the country. जो हमारा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने उनका एक ख्वाब है, उनका ख्वाहिश है, to make 5 trillion economy, or that 20 lakh crore का जो sanction उन्होंने किया है, या आत्मनिर्भर भारत, it could be happen. Only we bankers and CAs come together to make our economy is uplifted. ये भी चला जाएगा सर, किसी को कोविड से डरने का जरूरत नहीं सर. This too will pass away, but let us take all precautions, and absolute precaution you have taken also. So भगवान से मन्नत मांगेंगे सर, let this be pass over, and the institute will rise from more success to more success, and more such students they will turn out also. May God bless each one of you. All the best, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. It was indeed a pleasure listening to you. This was probably the first time I heard a comparison between a chartered accountant and Miss Universe. It was nice to hear how much we have in common. Thank you for taking your time out of your busy schedule and joining us today.
We have with us a few renowned personalities who could not be with us here today, but they have sent their good wishes. Let us listen to them now. Beginning with, we have Mr. Mahabaleshwar Bhatt, Managing Director of Karnataka Bank.
My heartiest congratulations to the Mangalore branch of Southern India Regional Council of ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which is celebrating its Golden Jubilee on 18th and 19th of August 2020. 1971 to 2020, very long journey, 50 years. I should appreciate the yeoman service rendered by the chartered accountants across India. I consider them as the national bookkeepers. But this is an occasion wherein we have our own Mangalore chapter celebrating its Golden Jubilee. They are not just playing a vital role in keeping the books of the accounts or any accounts of any of the institutions in order, but they also have a role that the sanctity of those accounts or the numbers are really, kept up. So I would expect the chartered accountants, especially who are playing the role of the auditors of these companies, to have that type of special role to ensure that the numbers are really vetted by them and it is accepted by one and all. That is why I expect them to play the role of the national conscience keeper as well. My special appreciation to my colleague chartered accountants from Dakshina Kannada, Udupi and these districts who have all along played a very active role with the banking industry as well. You all know that Dakshina Kannada has been regarded as the cradle of banking. Good number of banks have originated from this place. And right from the day one, chartered accountants have also very well associated with the banking growth in this particular region. So I appreciate their role also, and going forward definitely there will be further strengthening of their association as well as the relationship with the banking industry. My special appreciation and congratulations to the entire team of Mangaluru branch of the Chartered Accountants, especially their very dynamic chairman, CA S.S. Nayak, and all their team members. So let me once again congratulate the Mangaluru branch of ICAI, not only from Karnataka Bank, that is my bank, but also from the entire banking fraternity for the yeoman service that they are extending to the nation. All the best to all of you.
His Holiness Srimad Sayamendra Tirtha Swamiji, wherein we sought the blessings and Swamiji has blessed all of us in abundance, saying that the fraternity, CA fraternity as such should blossom further, and you are doing a wonderful job. And today, as the representative, they have sent Surendra Nayak sir from Udupi, the past chairman of Udupi branch, to be here with us. We recognize the presence and heartily thank you for that, sir.
We now have joining us through Zoom GST Commissioner Mr. Imamuddin. Let us listen to him.
Respected Chairman, Vice Chairman, Secretary, other office bearers, members and students of ICAI family of Mangaluru branch. I feel very honored and happy to be part of this Golden Jubilee celebrations of ICAI Mangaluru branch. The association of my department with ICAI is very old, in fact as old as the foundation of ICAI itself. And if I say so, after the introduction of service tax, this association became more strong, and in recent years after the introduction of GST, we are in constant touch with ICAI and in be it organization of any seminar, any workshop, outreach program or awareness generation, and ICAI is a major partner, a stakeholder in this administration of all the tax laws and procedures. I once again congratulate all the members and students of ICAI family on this occasion, and I look forward to more association in future, and I wish a safety and well-being of all the members of ICAI family, especially in view of these difficult times of COVID. Thank you so much.
We have with us CA T.N. Manoharan, our past president of ICAI, a Padma Shri awardee and current chairman of Canara Bank. Let us listen to him.
At the outset, let me congratulate you for celebrating the Golden Jubilee Founding Day on 18th August 2020. And I wish you the very best for the year-long celebrations of Golden Jubilee. I am happy that on this occasion, you have organized 2 days virtual CPE meeting, where even the Udupi branch of SCRC of ICAI and the Shimoga CPE chapter have also joined, because they were part of Mangaluru branch earlier. It's a matter of privilege for me to recall the dedicated services of all the founding members of the Mangaluru branch, more particularly CASS Kamath, who unfortunately is not amidst us on this occasion, and also the services of all the past chairmen and office bearers of the Mangaluru branch. I wish this 2 days event is quite memorable and enlightening for all the members who are participating. I am confident that the pandemic situation will get resolved very soon, and all of us will have a very bright future. As India is emerging as a strong nation, the contribution of the profession of chartered accountancy is going to be immense. As partners in nation building, let us all gear up to give our best and contribute to the cause of the advancement of the growth of Indian economy. I take this opportunity to greet each and every one of you and wish you a very happy and healthy life. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you. Let us now listen to CAR Bhupati, past president of ICAI.
I am very glad to note that Mangalore branch of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is celebrating its Golden Jubilee year on 18th and 19th August 2020. As part of the celebrations, the office bearers of Mangalore branch have decided to honor the past chairman of Mangalore branch and the CA achievers on this important occasion. Honoring them has got a twofold objective. A, recognizing the valuable services rendered by them for the growth of our profession, and B, it will inspire many of the younger generation chartered accountants to emulate them and grow in their career path. My good wishes to Mr. Shantarama Nayak, the chairman of Mangalore branch, for all success of this function, and also for the professional activities during this year as chairman of the Bangalore branch. Good luck to him and other office bearers for an eventful year of professional activities. Good luck and thank you.
If we are celebrating this event right now, it is but thanks to the contributions of several individuals, without whom this wouldn't be possible. I request our secretary, C.A. Abdur Rahman Musbah, to deliver the vote of thanks.
The inauguration session of the founding day celebration of the Golden Jubilee year, I, Abdur Rahman Musbah, Secretary of the Mangalore branch, deem a great pleasure for giving today's vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to thank the inaugurator of this event, Shri Venkata Ramana Akkaraju, the chairman of New Mangalore Port Trust, for taking time from his busy schedule and inaugurating this event and kickstart the Golden Jubilee celebration of Mangalore branch. I would also like to thank Shri M.V. Balasubramaniam, Chief General Manager, Field GM Office Mangalore, Union Bank of India, for attending today's program and consenting to light the lamp. I would also like to thank Shrimati Sujaya U. Shetty, Zonal Head, Bank of Baroda, Mangalore Zone, for gracious presence for today's event. My special thanks to Shri B. Yogesh Acharya, General Manager, Canara Bank Circle Office, Mangaluru, for presiding over today's function. Our past chairman and chairperson are like stars to the Mangalore branch. They have guided the Mangalore branch and pillar of the branch. I would like to thank each of them for coming for today's event and bringing the branch to the present level. Thank you, everyone. Our gratitude would be with C.A. Shandaram Shetty, C.A. Nukul Pai, C.A. Varya Pai, C.A. Nandagopal Shanai, C.A. Chanda Pujari, and C.A. B.B. Shanbak for coming to today's grand event. A special thanks to C.A. Raghavendra Rao and Dr. Jagdish Shetty for attending today's program. A tribute to C.A. S.S. Kamath, who has left us recently, who was constant support for the branch. I would fail in my duty if I don't thank the sponsors, New Mangalore Port Trust, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank, Karnataka Bank, Canara Bank, Winman, MRPL, ONGC Mangalore Petrochemical Limited, APCO Steel, J. Lakshmi Silk, Mangalore Cooperative Town Bank, Modern Industry Corporation, B. Ganapati Bandakar and Sons, SVB Cooperative Bank, and Nandini for sponsoring today's event. We cannot forget today's MC who has made this program wonderful. Thanks to C.A. Yashashwini, C.A. Harsha, and C.A. Rochelle for making today's morning session a delight. I would like to thank for the support provided by our technology partner A1 Logic and media partner Namma Kudla. I would also like to thank our staff for always supportive for the institute activities. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the members and students who attended this program presently or virtually. With these words of gratitude, I would like to conclude the vote of thanks. Thank you.